Now, forewarned weather with Ashlee Baracy.
And what a great day to get outside and exercise to stay heart healthy. Boy, check out the sunrise over Belleville right now. Whew, beautiful yellow on the horizon. And so we will have a lot of sunshine working its way in today. Temperatures are on either side of 70 to start your morning with a westerly breeze about 5 miles per hour. So not overly gusty, but we are replacing some of the overnight cloud cover with the sunshine today and seasonal temperatures. So that 85. Guess what? It's going to feel like 85 because we don't have the massive amount of humidity that has been in our area for a while. So we're pushing that out for the time being. UV index, though, very high. So with all that sun in the forecast, that sunburn time will be anywhere from about 15 to 25 minutes if you don't use the proper sunscreen and protection. So make sure you take care of your skin as you step outside. Let's sigh just relief here. Tonight, 64 degrees. You can open the windows, folks. It's been a while since we've said that for the overnight low. So mostly clear skies with that lower humidity will allow you to open the windows and allow some comfortable air to come in. Now, come tomorrow, there will be a marginal level 1 risk for some strong to severe storms along and north of I-69, where wind and hail would be the primary threat. But these are more discrete cells. So I'm not anticipating much in the way here across the metro area. As we peel back those clouds throughout the morning, we see sunshine. But I'm going to go ahead and put this into motion to take us through Wednesday, where we do have plenty of sunshine working across the metro area. By the afternoon, you start to see a couple little popcorn showers, but that might even be late afternoon into the evening, closer to sunset. So the next 3 days, pool weather, 86 degrees tomorrow. A few more clouds mixing in just because of those rain chances to our north, but lots of sunshine by Thursday. And we're about a degree warmer each day, so we will be inching upward, which means for the 4th of July, we're talking upper 80s with some sunshine, which will be great conditions for the parades that are late morning, midday, and we will have dry conditions for those firework displays. Quick look at what we have ahead for the weekend. There is a chance for some storms Saturday night, but this model picking up a better chance Sunday night going into the early part of next week. So we're keeping a close eye on a more active pattern for the tail end of the weekend. But let's talk about that weekend forecast because it will be a long holiday weekend with the 4th being on Friday. So it'll feel like summer Friday, but we're cranking up the heat in the 90s across the metro area for your Saturday and Sunday. If you're traveling up towards Alpena, a chance for some rain showers come Sunday, but otherwise we're talking upper 70s, close to upper 80s from Friday to Saturday. Mackinac Island will be from the mid 70s to right around 80, but we do have some rain chances for your Saturday and your Sunday. And then as we travel over towards Traverse City, well, we could possibly be right around 90 on Saturday, but some shower and storm chances that could linger into your Sunday, cooling things off. So your full forecast will be in that stretch of very summer-like temperatures, and the humidity creeps up by Friday on your 4th of July, and then we'll be in the 90s this weekend with a couple chances for showers and storms.
Now, forewarned weather with Exact Track 4D.
Only because I saw this on social media. You know who else is going into the Radio Hall of Fame is Mojo from here in 95.5.
So nice.
Congrats to him.
Yeah, very happy for him. Mm-hmm. And very happy about the weather. You said you're booting your kids outside all day?
Outside all day. They got to
Don't come back till sundown.
Yeah, let's see how it works. But you know what's more exciting is the light traffic volumes. It's been really smooth sailing because
a lot of folks
people on
just
vacation.
Taking the whole week off. Don't blame you. And I'm jealous.
Me too.
Same. But yeah, I mean, overall, looking at a great holiday forecast and starting it today and beyond. So let's go ahead and start with the travel delays or lack thereof, which is great. I know throughout the morning we've been talking about the busiest times to travel, and a lot of it will be by road for the holiday.
Oh, I thought we were all.
Are we traveling together? Is this your way of traveling? Traveling by foot?
Ladies and gentlemen, here she is.
What is he doing?
Nobody knows. Too much coffee.
Oh my goodness. Off the rails. So here we go. Airport delays next to none. Now that's not to say you won't have a flight delay here or there, but if you are heading to the airport, you can see that we don't have weather delays at the major airports across the country. Maybe you're staying close to home, hitting the water. Today's a great day to do it, and we will have a nice stretch of lake and pool days ahead as we'll stay warm, a little less humid, only going up a degree or so each day. And so here's a look with a little cloud cover over Belleville, but we're starting to thin that out and a little bit of blue sky peeking through at this hour. 74 degrees at Metro, 70 in Ann Arbor, 71 in Howell, 72 in Port Huron. Westerly winds right around 5 miles per hour. So seasonal sunshine today. We'll top out right around 85 degrees. Don't forget the sunglasses. or the sunscreen, because you'll want to reapply that SPF today. UV index very high. It'll likely be very high the next couple of days as well. So that means that sunburn time will be between about 15 to 25 minutes if you don't properly protect your skin. Forecast for tonight. So we don't always focus on the overnight forecast, but today we're going to, because mostly clear skies, lower humidity, and 64 for the overnight low. That means you can give the air conditioning a break, or if you don't have the AC, hey, this is going to bring some relief in the house. Open the windows, allow that cooler, more comfortable air to come in. It'll be refreshing. Tomorrow, we do have a marginal level 1 risk for some stronger storms to develop along and north of I-69. Wind, hail would be the primary threats, but the model data not even overly impressive with that. So as we peel back the cloud cover throughout the day, you see we hold on to sunshine, and we will have a few clouds mixing in tomorrow, but mainly clear skies until the afternoon, where you get a couple of these showers popping. This model putting it as far south as Mount Clemens, but I think a lot of that tracks along and north of I-69. So pool weather as we inch upward just a degree or so every day, holding on to the 80s. Lots of sunshine Thursday, and we'll take that sunshine into your 4th of July. 88 the forecasted high, but with drier conditions, those parades will be a go across the metro area, and so will the firework displays in the evening. So that's your holiday forecast. Let's talk more about the weekend all in all. So here close to home, we will have a few shower and storm chances. Slight chance late Saturday, better chance late Sunday, but we're climbing back into the 90s, and that humidity will be on the rise. However, if you're going to spend the weekend up north, so closer to Alpena, we're talking upper 70s, upper 80s. Chance for rain not coming in the forecast till the very end of the weekend on Sunday. Mackinac Island will have a couple rain chances Saturday, Sunday, but will be in the mid 70s to right around 80 through the long holiday weekend. And Traverse City will be on either side of 90 Friday, Saturday, and falling into the upper 70s Sunday, and that's because of shower and storm chances come Saturday and Sunday. So that 7-day forecast, seasonal stretch ahead as we crank up the heat then going into the upcoming weekend.